कोरियन अपने ब्यूटी का ध्यान सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट से नहीं, खाने से भी रखते हैं। Let's check out 2 popular Korean beauty soups. Seaweed soup. Seaweed soup is a regular staple in Korean breakfast and is also consumed on birthdays to pay homage to new mothers who are given this soup as a way to supplement vital nutrients lost through childbirth. Koreans are feasting on humble, low-fat seaweed soup so that even as they celebrate getting older, their skin looks like it hasn't aged a day. Soybean soup. That's right, more soup. Soup is the true soul of Korean meals and is eaten every single day. Soybean soup is a national favorite and it's frugal and healthy with the soybean paste, being rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to protect skin from any UV damage. So next time you meet a K-drama fan who is a woman, do ask her if she's a soybean woman. See you soon.